Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. AI Traders live market artificial intelligence training. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller. I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. Here's my contact details. We'll be focusing on the Dow Jones 30 Index constituents. There's quite a lot of nice trade ideas coming out of that. We're using 4 AI engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, these 4 AI trading strategies caters for various type trading styles, whether you're a swing trader or a position trader. Major market reversals will work well for holding periods of a couple of days to weeks to months. Classic swing trades for a couple of weeks as well. Volatility breakouts, quick moves as well, and then quick 3-day moves in day 1 and out on the 3rd and 4th day. So all these cater for different type trading styles. Just to recap, the AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible market combination indicators relationships using genetic algorithms. Let's jump straight into the Metastock platform, going to screen the Dow Jones 30 Index constituents. Jumping straight into the Metastock platform, I've selected the Fulgent AI engine. I've got the Dow Jones 30 Index members. Run the screen, and yeah, the end results. I sorted the results by bars. The column heading by bars tells you how old the trade is. We've got JP Chase as a fresh new signal. Amgen, it's also got a signal. Caterpillar, Chevron, Cisco Systems, Dow, Nike, Verizon, Boeing, Walt Disney, Visa. These are all a couple of days into trade. You can see their Visa's 5 days into trade. We'll cover the most recent trades from a artificial trading perspective. Now, just remember the number here at the end, the ID, that's the artificial intelligence engine. So 105 is volatility breakouts, and 104 is classic swing trades. 106 is the quick 3-day moves, and then number 100 is the major market reversal. So these cater for various type trading styles. So let's go and take a look at JP Morgan. So we have a fresh new signal, a volatility breakout on JP Chase. JPM is the ticker up there. We can see we've had quite a lot of nice volatility breakout trades in the past. And if you want to follow the AI's trading stop loss, it puts it in automatically. And yeah, you can see back in November, we had September, October, November, had lots of signals, and then a really big one, move. Another volatility breakout December, February, March, and now we have another one in August for a volatility breakout on JP Chase. Boeing is another one that's 2 bars into a trade in a long, number 105, which is a volatility breakout. You can see their trailing stop is put in there just below the 212 zone. 210 zone, and then we have a volatility breakout there. So you can see there are quite a couple of choppy trades in Boeing. Major market reversal there, got that major market reversal there. So quite a risky trade since it's an airline stock, but we have a volatility breakout on Boeing. Verizon, we can see also volatility breakout, buying at the bottom end of a base, critical make or break week for it. These old highs would be the upside targets for profit taking, as well as that one there of the May high there. So we have a volatility breakout in Verizon. Nike, late stage swing trade. The most recent volatility breakout in June, July caught that nice rally, the gap up right before the gap up. So a fantastic trade there. We can also scroll back and see the swing trade back here in March worked out a multi-months movement there. So that's another fantastic trade. So we have a swing trade in Nike with the old highs here as the upside profit target. Next one, Dow. Volatility breakout signal here. These old highs would be your first stop for 65, first stop for resistance, and then these old highs up here at 74, 72 is the profit target. Yeah, you can see earlier signals here back here in March, major market reversal, multi-month profit there. Then another swing trade here in February, and then another one here in March. Another trade here in June, and now we have a volatility breakout. So Dow is got a volatility breakout signal there. Cisco Systems, you can see there volatility breakout occurred yesterday. So it'll be interesting to see if we get a follow through on that move today. We've had a few nice trades in the past on this one, so it'll be interesting to see if we get a follow through on this volatility breakout on Cisco Systems. Chevron, moving sideways, volatility breakout at the bottom end of a support zone, so critical for it to stay below these lows here, but the upside resistance levels 105 and then 110 and then 115 would be the upside profit targets on Chevron. Next one, Caterpillar, also a volatility breakout there. Last swing trade didn't work out so well. It got stopped out here with the trailing stop of the AI, puts the stop loss in automatically, but you can see previous signals here from July, October, and then January. Fantastic trades there in Caterpillar, and now we have volatility breakout coming. Next up, Disney, volatility breakout as well, buying at the bottom end of a base, so that at a key support zone where we're trading. You can see earlier trades here. Swing trade here was a beautiful swing trade, lasted multiple months there, and then we had two swing trades there. One was profitable, the other one not, and now we have a new volatility breakout on Walt Disney. And then last one, Amgen, also got a volatility breakout on it, buying at the bottom end of a base in around key support zones. These old highs would be the resistance zones 250 and 260 for Amgen. So this is what the rest of the list looks like. JP Morgan Chase is a most recent fresh signal, right down to the older ones. We can see a couple of days, 70 days into a trade for Apple. Incidentally, that's what the chart looks like for Apple. We can see we caught this swing trade back here in May at 124, 123.40 entry, and then it hit the, this not yet hit the trading stop here of, just get that level there, it's 142.5 roughly, and then the AI captured this move, beautiful move the last couple of months. You can see a couple of really good trades caught on the AI, caught most of this move to the upside as well. So you can see fantastic swing trade on Apple, for example. So it'll be interesting to see if we get a follow through of that particular move, but the trailing stop loss is now much higher. So be aware of that for a stock like Apple. And then Microsoft as well has also been 54 days into a trade here. Let's go and see how this one looks. You can see the volatility breakout back here in June, and it just kept on going. So that's been a fantastic trade, Microsoft. Looking at it from a volatility trading perspective, lots of other positive high probability signals. So these are the names, the most recent fresh trade ideas, plus a few of the other ones, Apple and Microsoft, where we've reviewed them. This is the list. There's about 25 longs out of the list. I don't see any shorts in this at this stage in the Dow. 5 rejects. These ones didn't meet the most recent screen result criteria. But that's how we scan the Dow 30 stocks, looking for some hot new trade ideas using artificial intelligence. And just a quick note, we've actually retrained the AI to look specifically for high probability signals in the Dow Jones 30 Index members. And the major market reversals is on average 72% accurate, swing trade 71%, volatility break at 54% probability of success, and quick 3-day move 66% probability of success. So you can see quite high probability trades. We're only looking for something 55, 65, 60% plus in general. So that's one of the minimum criteria. So that's why we might not see a lot of signals, a lot of stocks. We're only looking for signals where the AI has discovered that in the past these are high probability trades. We're not looking for low probability trades. And that's how the AI works. After you've retrained it, screen the stocks, and then out pops your list, and then trade according to the recommendations from the AI. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, this side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. And that brings us to the end of this episode of AI Traders Live. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence investment trading. Until next time, bye for now.